This is Michael Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team.
And I'm Sandra Gailey, and we're here to share a great new listing with you at 4 Bear Lake Road in Eldon.
Let's go and take a look.
This is such a fantastic property. It's all ranch style living, so you've got everything on one level for yourself. Very spacious floor plan, open living and dining. It sits on over 4 acres and it overlooks this fantastic pond. So it's beautiful, serene. You've got all the privacy and you're really, really close to town, probably just 5 minutes to get into Lake Ozark.
One of my favorite features of this property is this expansive, oversized garage shop, wired for 220 with water already installed. If you have any questions on what you've seen today or like to schedule a private showing, give us a call.
You can reach us at 1-800-836-2005 or check us out at jasonwhittle.com. We'll take care of you. Thanks so much for watching.